Picture this. You're getting scolded by your boss, or maybe you're at a funeral, or perhaps you just broke your friend's favorite mug. You should look sad or apologetic, but instead your face does this. You aren't happy. In fact, you're dying inside, but your face is screaming, "I'm having a blast." This is the nervous smile, and no, it doesn't mean you're a sociopath. It actually means your brain is working overtime to protect you. To understand why we do this, we have to go back, way back. In the animal kingdom, specifically among primates, there's something called the fear grin, or the silent bare teeth display. When a lower-ranking chimpanzee encounters a dominant one, it shows its teeth. It looks like a smile, but it actually translates to, "Please don't beat me up. I am small and harmless. See? My weapons, my teeth, are tucked away and I'm being submissive." Evolution kept that script in our DNA. When we're nervous, we subconsciously flash a submission signal to diffuse the situation. It's your brain saying, "I come in peace," even if your boss thinks you're just mocking their haircut. There's also a theory called cognitive dissonance. When we experience a massive surge of negative emotion like fear or extreme embarrassment, it can be overwhelming. To regulate that emotional overflow, the brain sometimes triggers a positive physical response like smiling or laughing to balance things out. It's like your brain's internal thermostat. You're so cold, scared, that your brain turns on the heater, a smile, just to keep the system from crashing. This is why some people laugh when they're in pain or smile while telling a tragic story. It's a biological attempt to reduce the intensity of the stress. So if you're a nervous smiler, don't worry. You're just a highly evolved primate trying to stay safe and emotionally balanced. If you catch yourself doing this in a serious moment, try to cough or cover your mouth. It buys you a second to let your brain catch up with your face. Have you ever smiled at a terrible time? Let me know the most awkward moment your fear grin made an appearance in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It makes my brain release the good kind of endorphins.